Only 1% can solve this. Who invented basketball? James Naismith. NBA was founded in which year? (1946). How many players per team on court? Five. Standard NBA game duration. (48 minutes). Which team has most NBA titles? Boston Celtics. NBA logo silhouette is of Jerry West. Height of NBA hoop. (10 feet). Shot clock duration, NBA. (24 seconds). Player with most NBA points. LeBron James. Triple-double means. Three stats with double digits. FIBA court length. (28 meters). First NBA dunk contest winner. Larry Nance. NBA MVP trophy named after. Michael Jordan. How many fouls to foul out, NBA? Six fouls. Eurostep made famous by. Manu Ginobili. First team to win 3-peat twice. Chicago Bulls. NBA Finals MVP trophy named after. Bill Russell. Shortest NBA player ever. Muggsy Bogues. Shot worth 3 points introduced in NBA. (1979). Backboard originally made of? Wood. NBA team from Canada. Toronto Raptors. First NBA Slam Dunk champion. Larry Nance. Maximum points in single NBA game. (100 points). Player who scored 100 points. Will Chamberlain. Defensive 3-second rule applies to defense. NBA logo colors. Red, white, and blue. Who popularized step back 3. James Harden. International governing body. FIBA. NCAA shot clock, men. (30 seconds). Basketball Hall of Fame located in? Springfield. Player known as Black Mamba. Kobe Bryant. First African-born NBA MVP. Hakeem Olajuwon. Which is a violation. Traveling. NBA All-Star Game started in (1951). Defensive stance rule. Handcheck band. Player nicknamed the answer. Allen Iverson. Who won most NBA MVPs? Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. First NBA team outside USA. Toronto Raptors. Who holds most assists all time? John Stockton. Basketball quarter length, NBA. (12 minutes). Out of 14 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.